Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out doing this house wash. They're about to put it up for sale. They got showing this coming up Sunday, and originally when we talked to the lady last week, she wanted the house done. She did not want this touched, which we normally include, because she didn't want it to make her driveway look worse. But when we got here today, she said the realtor told her to do the front sidewalk, which is one of the reasons why, since we work with so many realtors, we include the front sidewalk in our job. So it's very slick. It's got a low coefficient of friction. You can easily slide on it. And the last thing you want is for open house to be kind of rainy and your potential client to slide. It will not make a good impression if they slide and hurt themselves on a house that they're thinking on buying. So we're going to take care of it for the lady and for the realtor, just to make sure it looks good. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.